Right, what's rid of it in?
Roundabout that thought
round
of it,
about it, yeah. Yeah, because after the clubhouse down to time, nobody gave it a chance. Well, we shouldn't have. They should have won it. That was top night. That was good. That'd be a great night for Rangers to have. European nights are absolutely outstanding.
Well, that was sensible from that couple, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Freaking
it did cool, yeah.
A great deal shouldn't be. Great cover, great price, and a great app makes us one of the UK's top choices when comparing car insurance online. Hastings Direct. Simplicity is the best policy.
30 miles an hour!
See hastingsdirect.com.
Doing the bikers, give them a bad name.
To school with Aldi's Super 6 fresh fruit and veg from just 69p each.
Your one.
The same badge as this, is it?
Aye. You can always tell when it's a woman driver.
Nice indication, not even telling us what she's doing. Supposed to just guess, eh? Sausages everywhere.
Remember, there's a real feeling that this is the best versus the best. How many more do you want?
This is the voice.
Yes. Tell me how it works out with your feature with John on the voice of boxing. Smudge Meister, Adam Smith.
It's the money that we're feeding into the club. So, for me, the man comes on the ball and that's kind of, you know...
Nice indication, Flem, what?
We're in Europe, which is really exciting.
Great driving.
Was it worth the 6?
It was, yeah.
Was it?
You just walk on your phone in front of you. Righty. Land of the wobbly nods.
Pardon?
People just walking in front of your car on the phone have just no idea you're there. Pull out then. I've heard. What then? You friggin' cop rocket? Hell, bells, buckets and spades and phlegm wads. Hello, McFly! Anybody in there? We're taken, so I'm having a slow day. I always sneakily go to the train station. Fucking hell, look at this wagon driver. He's absolutely all over the fucking place. That's gone on me fucking Dashcam sausages. What is he doing?
Are we sniffing these R's knickers?
He's going into the fucking inside lane again. Hold on a minute, I've got to fucking watch what he's doing. He's fucking he's straddling the fucking hard shoulder.
Nah, he'd be fucking about it. He's wanting on his cap on.
Outside the UK, where therefore there's no tax.
The government get no tax, correct?
Exactly. So I think, look, there's no racing up.
He's just run a red light.
Because it's already hurting the
That wagon just blatantly gone through a red light. Did you see that?
A shout out.
Tell you what, it's like a different day than it was when I went in at 7 this morning.
Doesn't it
Absolutely hooping it now.
Doesn't it mentally make you feel better?
Yeah, it doesn't. Tell you what, mate, the lights are drawn in on us.
Aren't they just?
Good morning. A Conservative MP has defected to Reform, saying the Conservative Party is over. Danny Kruger made his announcement at a press conference, saying his decision to leave was a tragic conclusion.
I have many friends in the party, many good and decent people, which is why it is so personally painful for me to be doing what I'm doing today.
As the set-piece coach, he said, well, we bring you through to the centre of our...
What the fuck are you doing? Is all these flags about?
No. It'll be fucking weekend.
Pathetic, innit?
Yeah.
What fucking hell are you doing? There's some right idiots, isn't there?
We kick off this afternoon chatting to David O'Leary. We're going to talk Arsenal, we're going to talk Villa. Of course, we bring you Athletic Bilbao versus Arsenal tonight in the Champions League, and indeed Villa over on TalkSport 2 at Brentford.
There's always one clever dick, isn't there? There's always one clever dick, isn't there?
Overtake you on the inside
But one of his friends said, I said, oh, we got spare, does he want to come? Okay, my friend, oh yeah, of course he can come. But his dad wasn't a big football fan, really, and he turned up with his Arsenal shirt on. I said, you can't wear that. You can't do it. Go and get one of Matt's Tottenham shirts.
Into the festival, that happens.
And you got another big thing going on, haven't you, when all the street performers...
That's the festival, yeah, so that takes place in August.
What do you call that again?
Just the festival, Edinburgh Festival. So...
If he came to City and Sevilla or got to Tottenham, but it ended up not happening. But I can't see how they can keep them both happy forever. Now that people live there, they have to wait for 5 games, but they only had one shot on target. Mikel Arteta claims his bench players could be more important than starters this season. Martinelli and Trossard both scored after coming on, but Arteta's calling them finishers rather than subs.
Unbelievable, man, these fucking pedestrians. Aren't you cockwombles?
More so since they win most games, to be honest.
You just don't. It just doesn't happen. It's as simple as that. Well, nice one, Basinade. I'm a wagon driver and I'm okay. I wear women's clothes and I'll pull out all day. Freaking hell.